Kikoy, good morning. No, good afternoon, yeah. Hello. Say Denise, say hello.
Hello.
Look. Say hello. Punta kami sa ano. Where are we going today?
Lunch.
We're going to have lunch outside now. And then si Luke po. Say hello, Luke. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Licky. Licky. Let's go. Come on. Meron silang ano guys, tindahan dyan. Mga whatever. Come here, this way. Look. Watch. I'm going on the step. And then we're going up over there. See, across there's a little supermarket. It's not really a supermarket, is it? It's a little convenience store.
That's it.
Because if it says supermarket, I expect it big and like with everything. Look, we're going to have lunch. Hello. Your mouth still full of toothpaste. Over there, there's like a restaurant and a pub. Old corner restaurant pub. That's where we're going, guys. I think. Are we going there?
Maybe.
Hello. Lucky, hello. We're waiting for our order, guys. I ordered chicken roast chicken, half with chips and salad.
Yeah.
And still ordered spaghetti small.
Yeah. Pesto.
Spaghetti and pesto sauce. That's it.
Yeah.
Because Daddy wants to order pizza or lasagna, but there's cheese on it. And he's coughing. You did cough last night a lot. Pesto. Look, don't play with your one. Look, one is this one. Harder. Hard. Quick. Harder. Quick. Oh, you missed it. Quick, look. Faster. Quick. Now hold here. Oh, finish. Oh.
No.
Ready. Hold with both hands. Harder, harder. Harder, put it, quick. I feel like I want to bash it. Quick, quick. Now it's so slow one, eh? See, got the idea too. Quick, 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 quick. Oh, finish. Seen this a lot already. I don't know. We've seen this before. We're going down there on the beach. We've been on the pool once. And I've shown this, I don't know, I've shown this on the video before. This is the bin here. They're all like labeled like plastics, paper, biodegradable, general waste, glass. They're very good and it's huge. It will take forever for it to fill up. But I think they do have a collection every day. I'm not so sure, but I've seen one yesterday. I look so weird. Gosh. I don't usually wear swimsuit or two-piece in the beach. I don't feel so shy here. Only one who don't have a beach body, so it's fine. Everybody wants suntan. I don't know how much, but it's for friends. They're going in the water now. A timeout. Looky, looky, looky. Look. Eating candy. Oh no, 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 it's gonna be Sunday. No. Ah, you're eating the sand as well.
It's good for him.
Yep, it's gonna go everywhere. You got sand though in your hand. It's gonna go everywhere. Uh-oh. Was it in the sea? Look! Maybe put water here. Then you have somewhere to wash the hand. He's picking it. Get some water.
Should we take the bag?
Now, Daddy, hold the bag. Get some water.
Just leave it there.
Go get some water, please. Get some water. We wash our hands. Quick.